welcome back to the channel.
Hey, how y'all doing today?
This is Timbo Slice, aka Tough Tim. You understand?
No,
this
my
is the
name
one
Timothy.
that got a DWI on a bicycle
Yep.
on homecoming
I'm probably gonna
weekend.
get one on your car out there too.
Yeah, see what I'm saying?
Just let me drive and give me the bill.
This is shop talk. You understand me? This is how they do. You know, when they come through the shop. You know, when the weather breaks, everybody breaks. You know what I mean? They come through the shop. They sit around. They talk a bunch of shit. We get a lot of things done. Today, Mr. Tim is here to prove the challenge that the Coca-Cola and the Brillo pad cleaning chrome. That's what we're doing.
Do work.
Okay, it does work. Now I got another remedy that the young boy out in California is missing. I'm not gonna call no names. I got the Coke and I got the Brillo pad, but there's one other thing missing, and it's that baking soda. And I don't think of that in terms of that other shit. You understand? Because I'm not talking about that. You understand? Don't think of those terms. Not with that baking soda. The baking soda you put after you spray the Coke on the chrome. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Then you put a little baking soda on. Then you take the Brillo pad, and it takes all the scratches out. See, baking soda acts as a eating agent. You know, it helps eat the scars or some of the other stuff off. But I'm gonna show you how it works in about 3 steps. So you guys hang in for that. That's coming right up. That's baking soda, Coke, and Brillo pad challenge. Leave me a comment.
Hello, back again, y'all. Here's the Brillo with the soap out of it. You know what I mean? And so we're gonna do this his way, and then we're gonna do it my way. That's why I got 2, y'all. You heard me?
All right, guys, here it is. You're gonna put the Coke and baking soda. No, the Coke and baking soda on first.
Yeah.
You know that baking soda's an agent now. The Coca-Cola, not the Coke. Let me straighten that up. We're gonna put the Coca-Cola and then the baking soda, because some of you guys out there might be thinking something totally different. We don't want you thinking that way, all right? Not on this channel.
Wow, really?
Really? Steve over there laughing at me. Okay, here's I'm gonna raise this up some. Let me see if I can. Oh, that's all the way up.
Huh? No, he's doing an interview. I'm just doing it. I'm working. I don't like to talk when I'm working.
He's spraying the Coca-Cola on the exhaust pipe now. Yeah, he's gonna spray the Coca-Cola on first. You know, we're not gonna say Coke. We're gonna say the Coca-Cola, and then he goes over top of it with the baking soda. All right, and you just let that kind of sit there for a second, just like you seeing him doing it. You let it sit there for a second, guys. This shit works. You know, it don't take that much baking soda, Tim. You know, you are like, yeah. It don't take that much baking soda. Yeah.
I had to walk away for a minute, y'all. I had to walk away.
All right, now on that, what goes on is that this right here will haze up some. All right. See how that Coke got that baking soda turning. See this here?
Yeah.
Like a mash now. See that? Make sure you get in this area here.
I am.
Okay? You just let it sit there a few minutes. As you can see, the baking soda is kind of it's acting like a soap agent. You understand? Along with that Coke, you know, it's kind of eating that dirt off. It's removing ash, removing scratches. You know, I used to do this back in the day. We talking 40-something years ago. Yeah, I'm an OG. I keep telling you guys that. And I used to do my bicycle spoke rims this way. I used to do my car basket. You remember back in the day we had the old basket spoke rims where you could take the spoke out and you would have just a basket there. I used to clean them like this. And this is what I was saying to the kid out in California, that it was another agent that he was missing, even though his was cleaning too, that were cleaning, I think, a little bit better. Okay? I learned this trick right here from my daddy. He used to clean his cars, white walls, and his car rims and stuff with this same Coca-Cola and same baking soda treatment. So once I started seeing him doing it, I seen it was clean and everybody giving them compliments on it, I started doing my car like that. So he is wiping it down now. What you see, Tim?
Taking it off.
Taking it off?
Yeah, all somewhat. This little spot right here. But it's the only way to do.
And then some applications you may have to do it more than one time.
Right.
But for the most part, you're gonna watch the before and after, and you'll see a difference in it. And guess what? It's a lot cheaper than some of that stuff that they sell at the auto parts stores that claim to clean chrome, which they does. I'm not knocking their product, but this is a whole lot cheaper. You can go to a dollar store and get a Coke, put it in a spray bottle like this here, and get you a dollar bottle of baking soda. Okay. What do you think, Steve-O? Now you see how that baking soda just clumps up like that? See how it's just falling off like in clumps? Okay, you can spray it back down with Coke and you use another Brillo pad once you get through, you know what I'm saying? Well, he knows what he's doing. This is what this guy does around here in these parts. Well, that's what he used to do. He all broke down now. He don't want to do too much of nothing. I think he's a pimp.
Oh, pimp, no.
Yeah. The reason I'm using these pipes here is these were some old pipes that I took off my bike, and I know it had a lot of rust and stuff built up on them, and they had a lot of scratches in them as well. So here's the rinse it down with the Coke. See that from here. Look at it just fall off. I know I can see it from here. The extra shine that is starting to occur right in here. And if you look closely enough, you guys should be able to pick that up. Oh man, that looks good. Can you see it from there, Steve? What do you think, Tim?
Look good to me.
Huh? What do you think? You can wipe down now and see what you got. Let me run and get you a...
Yeah, give me a cleaner one, but I'm gonna need it.
Okay, now he's cleaning the other one that was done with the Coca-Cola and baking soda. He's using the RC Cola and Brillo pad on that one. And we're going to see if we can get some of the oxidation out of it that the other one left on there, okay? Yeah, this guy look like he likes to rub on stuff. You can see that, don't you?
I bet my woman ain't complaining. Put that on video.
It's on there, trust me. It's on there.
I got enough to roll, don't
That's why I let that roll.
Damn right.
What you say, Steve-O?
That's why I let that roll up there.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. I love this.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
Now, see, this is particular exhaust here was in real bad shape as far as trying to keep it clean. But guess what? The bags wrapped around this exhaust, so you didn't never see it like that. So I never knew how bad they was when I bought the bike. years ago that it was on there. So I didn't never get to see exactly how bad they were as far as, shining and all that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so here it is. Mr. Tim, you about, yeah, he still, I tell you, this guy like wiping on stuff, man.
He's a hater, y'all.
Bring it on down, son.
He's a hater, y'all.
Bring it on down, son.
Let me turn it over this way. I'm gonna do it that way.
Okay.
How about this? Slowly.
Yeah, you got a lot of
Bro,
swirl.
that's fingerprints, man. I got the left stuff on my hand. Slowly.
Okay, guys, give me tell me something down in the comments. That exhaust pipe was really, really, messed up, and you got it looking decent. Those are the ones I had on my other post that are for sale, that has no baffles in them. They slip-ons. Now they've been cleaned for you, so it ain't gonna be clean some more. So come and get them. That'll do it for today. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you next time.